great excavator is never just a collection of parts. It carries the productivity of every worksite, day and night, and the safety of every operator. At Rippa, we believe real quality starts with the cutting of a single steel plate. But it takes standards that exceed the industry to build equipment that stands the test of time. Because we're convinced, precision engineering defines the soul and lifespan of an excavator. Our self-developed process database, built on 13 years of data, ensures excellence from the very first piece. 50 Japanese-made Kawasaki welding robots paired with pulsed welders ensure consistent, controlled weld strength. Rippa upholds green manufacturing. Advanced fume extraction systems create a healthier workplace. This is a level of craftsmanship beyond most subcontractors, and a clear reflection of quality. We produce and heat-treat core pins in-house, achieving a surface hardness of 60 HRC. This triples their service life and significantly improves wear resistance, enabling the equipment to deliver outstanding performance even in harsh working conditions. Our fine grinding gives each pin a mirror-smooth finish, which cuts down on wear when the equipment is running. The component's durability is significantly enhanced by a multi-stage process. It goes through matrix strengthening heat treatment, surface cleaning shot blasting, and finishes with a protective powder coat, resulting in greatly improved wear resistance and service life. Precision processes create mirror-smooth inner walls, ensuring extended life for hydraulic systems from the core. From raw materials to finished machines, strict inspections build a defense of quality. Every unit is built to endure. From 900 to 1,000 containers ship monthly to over 30 countries and regions, earning global trust. In the toughest working conditions, we deliver on our promise, reliability and durability. From a steel plate to a complete machine, Rippa takes responsibility for reliability at every stage. Small size, big surprise, Rippa creates value with you.